Connect internal USB devices directly to the motherboard header connection. Plug your USB flash drive directly to the motherboard for extra software security. Boot your OS from an internal USB 2.0 jump drive, great for customized embedded systems. Compatible with various USB 2.0 flash drives such as the Kingston Digital DataTraveler, SanDisk Cruzer, PNY Attache, Transcend JetFlash, Lexar JumpDrive and more. Top reviews from the United States. Works as advertised. I needed one of these to hide the OS unraid flash drive inside the computer to prevent someone from unintentionally disconnecting the flash drive. Worked perfectly.